Hey guys, it's operations time again. It's gonna be a quick little trip down to Huntington Beach. There we got Mr. Torres up front there on the 914. We're gonna back that thing out and grab that center beam lumber car there in the background. We're gonna take that one down all the way to the lumber yard in Huntington Beach, do a little swap out, maybe have a little lunch down there. Let's get her fired up. All right, looking good. Let's get out of here. All right, enough bell. All right, we'll just grab our car and get on our way. Safety stop here. Looking good. Let's keep going. See if we can get a good connection on these lumber cars. They're always a little finicky. Whoop. Nope. Back it up again. All right, let's play with the couplers here just a little bit. There we go. All right, bring it up about 4 feet. Here we go, looking good. Give it a little stretch. Looking good. All right, Torres. Get on the lead loco. Let's get out of here. All right, got our ditch lights on. Let's get on the road here. Heading for Huntington Beach. Mr. Torres seems anxious to get down there. Been a while since we've been down to Huntington Beach. Been playing around with the yard mostly. Figure it's time to go all the way out to the end of the layout. And Mr. Torres was on vacation. Everybody's asking where he was, so he's back. Don't worry. Torres up there waving to the horses. Alright, we're coming up to the Stanton lead here. We gotta stop over here, change over our turnout. Looking good. Watch out for the dogs. We gotta watch out for the vagrants too, and their dogs. through Stanton over here, Westminster. Next stop, we're gonna come to a stop over here. We'll drop our car off, do a runaround there towards Huntington Beach so we can shove the car back into the lumber yard there. I think we'll cut them off right here. All right, there, we got the car disconnected. Go ahead and pull forward. We're gonna run across the street over here, get our runaround done. I'm gonna stop over here and get the turnout. Alright, enough bell, enough bell. Run over any kitty cats there. Alright, right there's good. Get the turnout flip there and head back up the line. I'll save the horns here just because I think we had enough horns and bells for this op session. Alright, we'll get down to the end over there, turn back around, grab this car, and we can start shoving into the industry. Right there, about another 20 feet, 10 feet, 2 feet. Looking good. All right, let's shove her down and grab our one pickup we're going to be doing. Get it out of the way first. All right, we're coming down the spur that leads into Reliable Lumber. Kind of the best shot I can get over here. You see him coming across the street. Right there, Mr. Torres, telling us to blow the horn there for the girls. Say hello to them. Alright, Torres got the industry rep there, got the blue flag out of the way. Let's see if we can get hooked up over here. Alright, 10 more feet, let's go, come on. Oh yeah, there, we're gonna call it a good hookup. Alright, let's get him out of here. Alright, we'll pull this guy out and drop him off on the runaround track there, just behind us. Then we'll come back in and do our one drop off. And Mr. Torres waving to the girls again. Another foot there, good. Right there's good. There's one little spot right here with that blue, what is it called, my jack, whatever. This is the hardest spot for me to film over here, at least without the tripod. All right, we'll drop this guy off right here. And just clear the turnout there so we're not following it. Right there's good. And we'll swing back in with the drop off and be done with it. Come across the street here again. We'll do a little bit more horn honking. Nice little drone view. Alright, right there's good. Cut her loose. Head back, grab our one pickup we left over there. And then head back to the yard. Unless Torres got other plans. Alright, we're all good. Let's get out of here. And of course, Torres is getting a little hungry, I think. He radioed back up and said, hey, let's stop over here and get some fish tacos. Alright, we'll park it over here. Shut her down. Before we get back on our way, we'll go have a little bit of lunch here. Let's go ahead and shut her down. Alright guys, Engineer Rick and my dog Ben there, we're getting some fish tacos. Come on there, Torres. You gotta put your order in there, quit chatting, let the girls up again. Guys, I hope you enjoyed that little operating session. We're gonna cut it over here, have some lunch, and we will see you guys in the next op session over here. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button to get notified, all that good stuff. Hit the thumbs up. If you like this kind of stuff, helps with the channel visibility. Appreciate it very much. And from Mr. Torres there, Conductor Torres, myself, Engineer Rick, and my dog Benjamin there, we'll see you in the next ops video. Take care, guys.